The JCLTR at 500 feet. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Well, it's coming back down.
I got a long delay on it.
And you got it done. All right, good job. 3, 2, 1. What? K940. You threw me off there. K940 in there. And we're going to go, it's got the dual deploy, and you got main at 700 feet. And we're looking for about 12,500 feet. So we need some eyes on this one. All right, are you ready?
Yes.
All right, we're going to launch your rocket in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, well done. Up is going up. All right, I lost sight of it. Do you have eyes on it at all?
We got Josh bringing Eureka on E2. He's flying an Estes sidekick on 2 C6s. He's going to go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Should get some good altitude. Thank you.
Okay, out on number 5 is Jim skewing. This is fresh built heads up plate on the D22. He's increasing it from Midwest Power level, so we're going to go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That 7-second delay is really taking its time.
He's going to be flying a rocket called Rocketina. It's a Wildman rocket. It's got an H-182 in it, and the reason I'm telling all this stuff is because this is her level 1 attempt. I'm sure she's not nervous. Okay, we're going to pad F2. Got a green light, that's a good thing. And we're going to launch your rocket in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go. And it's going up.
Let me know what happens.
I can see it. Where?
Oh yeah, it's separated. Wait, I don't see.
Oh, I think it's separated. It is separated.
Wait, you've been up there?
Yep.
All right.
Tilting
Good luck.
over and
Coming out.
And then on F3, I don't have a flight. 3, 2, 1.
Perfect spot too.
It's looking like you
Smoking. Finally.
way to go.
we're on the road.
It's a Drago 4XL in blue. And you got a K1100 in there. This is going to be exciting. Everybody watch this one. It's going to be fun. We're looking out on pad G3. We're looking for about 4,700 feet. Okay, all right, here we go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my God!
I think they were excited.
I don't have eyes on it. It went under a cloud. Huh? No man. I don't think.
We're good at that.
It's still going.
So much here. It should be arcing about now.
Yep, it's arcing. Yeah. Oh yeah. I
Got it,
went
Ben?
to deployment.
Okay, all right, good. So now we're going to...
Okay, we're going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's gone. Ish.
That's what I like to see.
They're doing the rocket named Mini Pioneer 2. This is a custom-built 12-foot rocket. It's a two-stage. It's got a K1800 in the bottom and a K780.
Yeah, I see it. It's falling down slowly.
It's got another. It's looking for about 16,000 feet on this rocket. Are you guys ready?
Yep.
You're sure?
Yep.
All right.
Where's the main?
We're going to try your rocket in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go!
All right.
Come on!
Go.
Come on! Come on!
I don't hear the second spin.
I got telemetry on it though.
Okay. All right. Well, the stator didn't light, but it looks like we got apogee up there.
Yeah,
It's
draw.
50%. That's a good success rate.
Oh, I know, I see the other part. Oh! Parachute came out at least.
Okay. The range is open. If you need to.
Gonna go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You know what? You can't beat those sensors.
They got all figured out.
Yeah.
Yep.
There it is.
There it is.
All right.